A commercial access control system gives you control over the entire commercial establishment. You can control who can have access to a specific office by the time of the day, by week, or by a person. Managed commercial access control solutions are the best way to utilize access control. HSS access control systems integrate with network recorders, camera systems, and video surveillance systems. Yet, these security and safety solutions are still affordable for small companies. Also, a commercial access control system is scalable to large organizations with many different locations. Whether you use biometric devices, card access systems, you can choose a specific company like HSS Security Solutions that can reduce their impact on the facility's design without reducing its efficiency. Access control systems are discreet and effective. You can also have access control systems tailored to your specific needs. Questions about commercial access control systems in Gallatin, Tennessee? Call HSS Security Solutions today at 615-444-1400.